Round 1 on Arena 1.
Power card. Power kayo ang...
Hello, Beijing, Lorinosas. Everyone, merong list of players sa likod. Meron din dito. Please lang po, kindly check kung kayo na ang sunod. So we can save time and we can go home early. Please be attentive.
Naupo ay. Nahulhulan.
Win-win sa laban nito.
Kita na nagkasakitan. Dati, kita na. Kita gisita. Uy!
Si Manny.
Please proceed to Arena 1 for next fight. Richard Paul Guerrero on red side versus Ronald Ferrarin on blue side.
Nagkaulhol yan, third pan.
Time, Arena 1. Arena 1, judges 4, Judge 1 blue, Judge 2 blue, Judge 3 blue. Winner, Arena 1, blue side. Please proceed to Arena 1 po. Richard Paul Guerrero on red side versus Ronald Ferrarin on blue side.